Hey, this will be a video chart on VLCO. Had some people asking about it yesterday and last week, but just couldn't quite get to it. Definitely a nice little breakout and makes a great real-time example in terms of playing supports and how this 50-day simple moving average acted as a trampoline here, and you can see really propelled the price upwards there. And actually, multiple times the price has come down and bounced around that 50-day. So just a good little real-time example of how it's always important to keep your eye on these moving averages. So as far as the chart and what's been going on now, obviously not the best day, but depending on what your strategy is, the chart is still actually bullish because it's maintaining above the key levels of support that you would want to see it. The one negative attribute on it is definitely this volume bar here. Usually on pullback days like this, you want to see volume small. So seeing a big time volume bar like this on this day kind of makes you scratch your head and wonder what was going on. But the good news is it's going to be easy to figure out if this was just a one-day type thing, because all we're going to have to do is monitor our support levels, and if they hold, then this day was just kind of some sort of cleansing and nothing to really worry about in the broad scheme of things. So that first level of support that was able to maintain itself today was this previous high right here. Whoops, let's try that again. Was this previous high from way back here in May, which was a high of 0.077, and then today's low was 0.076. So congratulations to those players that camped out there and picked up some shares right here at this level of support, because you got a nice bounce there. So the first and ideal level of support that we'd want to see hold is going to be right here at this 0.077. Now if it doesn't hold, then what I would call the must hold level is going to be based right here at this point here, which hopefully you can see where it's coming from, but we had resistance multiple times here, although it didn't quite hit it. Close enough. Once again, close enough. Resistance, and this level is valued at 0.062. So if 0.077 doesn't hold, then the next ideal level that you would want to see hold is going to be right here at 0.062. And now the must hold level, which I already touched on earlier in the video, is going to be right here, this purple moving average. Like I said, the 50-day simple moving average. It's held the price multiple times. So if the price were to come all the way down here, this is the must hold level. After that, the chart's going to look terrible, to put it bluntly. But hopefully these two levels of support can hold. But the reason I know nobody would want to see it drop all the way back down here again, but let's say it did, hovered around here a little bit before heading back up. Well, this set of lows would be higher than this set, which is higher than this set, which is higher than this set, and then when you would connect them, that's where you can get this uptrend line, and that's why the 50-day has this upward slope to it, is because every time there's a pullback, the price does put in a higher low. So, like I said, nobody would want to see it come all the way down here, but if you're in this for the overall chart, then as long as this level can hold strong, then technically the overall trend is still up. As far as resistance levels, not really going to get into that, because the key concern right now is going to make sure that this pullback that started today doesn't get out of control. And once more, how do we answer the question, is it going to get out of control? Just keep your eyes on the support levels. If they hold, everything's in check. If not, then that's where you can start to say, oh, all these support levels are crashing, things are getting out of control. So that's why it's so crucial to watch these support levels, because it'll be very revealing in terms of kind of the psychology behind the price action. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was VLCO. Thanks for listening.